Purchase module. Integrated with Goods Received Vouchers, Bill of Material, Recipe Builder and Menu Builder, Stock Management, and Stock Takes with various stock reports, to maintain accurate stock levels in line with your cash flow strategy. Item Category Master. This form is used to define tax category of items of purchase, like 0%, 12%, 18%, etc. Click on Add button to add new item tax category. Enter tax category name. Applicable date, date from which this category is applicable. Enter tax name. Percent. Tax post account, ledger account in which tax will reflected. Save it. Item Group Master. This form is used to define group for item like beverage, food, raw item, etc. Click on Add button to add new item group. Enter item group name. Select item type like raw material, food, bar data, etc. Post an account. Select account in which ledger of this group will reflect. Save it. New item group beverage is created. Item Master. This form is used to create items for purchase. All the store items will be created from here, and the items that are created in point of sale will reflect here. Click on Add button to add new item soda 150 milliliters. Enter item name. Select category of item. Select item group. Select store department of that item. Select stock keeping unit of the item, like kg, gram, liter, etc. Enter maximum level of item. To maintain stock of item, how much maximum we want at our store. Enter minimum level of item, level of stock below which the actual stock should not normally be allowed to fall. Enter reorder level of item, level between min and max, and at this level purchase order will placed. Lot or batch number, select yes for item or range in lot number. Batch number, production, select yes for enable batch number. PO mandatory, select yes if purchase order is mandatory for this item. Select conversion unit, conversion between different units of measurements for the same quantity. Conversion ratio, select ratio of conversion of quantity. MOQ, enter minimum order quantity for the item. Save it. New item soda 150 ml is created. Opening stock entry. Here you can make new open stock for items. The opening stock entry is done once we set up purchase, and it maintain the stock of purchase. Click on Add button. Enter name of department for opening and date. Choose item and quantities. Save it. Approved by is mandatory field. Without approval opening will not maintain stock. Kitchen stock closing entry. This form is used to do the closing of items for kitchen. The closing of items done on current date will work as the opening of items for the next day. Click on Add button for closing stock. Enter closing date for items. Select name of department for closing. Click on Fill item. Item is filled according to department. You can also filter item based on template name or group name, or enter item name or barcode. Enter the closed quantity of an item. You can check all the stocked item in stock report. Filter stock report for particular item like gas pipe, kebab stick. Enter the closed quantity of an item. Waste quantity if any. Save it. After kitchen stock closing entry, we do kitchen stock closing update. It is used for updating closing stock. Enter date, and select department. Click on update. Stock is updated. If you check the stock for items, you see the stocks are updated for these items. Template Master. This form is used to create template of items. Click on Add button. Enter name of template. Insert items for this template. Save it. When use this template in kitchen stock closing entry, all the items is filled automatically. Minimum level define. To define minimum level, max level, and reorder level of items for particular department. Select department and item group. And click on Fill Items. All item is filled in grid according to item group. Update min level or max level or reorder level of item. Save it. HSN code update. Here you can update the HSN code for item. HSN, Harmonized System Nomenclature, code is unique code for every item. Click on Fill. All items are filled with HSN code and item category. Double-click to update code, and click on Save to save HSN code. Indent entry. This form is used to raise indent request within department. Click on Add button to raise indent. Select department name for indent raised. Enter name of the person who is raising indent. Choose template if you want to raise indent for selected template items. Insert items. Enter item quantity. You need to enter quantity more than minimum order quantity. Save it. Once the indent status is closed, it can't modified for delete. Indent approval entry. This form is used to approve indent generated by indent entry. You can filter indent according to these fields. Click on Filter. All indent will show. Enter approved quantity, if you want to update indent quantity. Click on Save to approve indents. Department issue entry. This form is used to transfer of items from main store to other departments. This entry is done directly or against indent. Click on Add button. Select department where item will transfer. On selecting department, if indent will approved against this department, pop-up will show, and fill the quantity for issued items. Click on OK. Save it. Now these items is transferred to main kitchen department. Quotation entry. This form is used to insert quotation received from suppliers. This entry point is used for comparing the rate of items from different supplier. Click on Add button to add new quotation. Select supplier name. Insert items. And rate of different items for particular vendor. Enter quotation number of vendor. Save it. Now we add new quotation for second supplier. We can compare the rate of items from different suppliers in quotation register. Purchase process. If you want to purchase new item, first you need to do purchase order entry. After that you need to do GRN entry to receiving goods. Then purchase bill entry to generate purchase bill. Purchase order entry. This form is used to make order of item for the supplier. Click on Add button to add new purchase order. Select supplier name for purchase. Insert item which you want to purchase. Enter order quantity. Enter rate for particular item. Amount will auto-calculated on the basis of order quantity and rate. Enter date of delivery. Add more items for purchase. Against form, purchasing done against within state or out of state. Save it. Once the purchase order approved, can't be edited or deleted. Without approval, purchase against this order can't done. GRN entry. GRN means Goods Received Note. It is used when you are receiving goods from supplier. GRN entry reflects on stock. Click on Add button. Enter challan number for purchase. When you select supplier, purchase order will show on left side grid. Select purchase order, all the items details will fill automatically. You can change acceptable quantity. Save it. Once the GRN is approved, it can't be edited or deleted. Purchase bill entry. This form is used to enter the bill details of purchased items. This entry is done against the GRN entry, and it reflects ledger of particular supplier whom against purchasing is done. Click on Add button. Enter party bill number and date. Select supplier. On selecting supplier, GRN number will show on right side grid. Tick on GRN number, and click on Fill GRN. All the items will fill automatically. Against form, purchasing done against within state, or out of state. Save it. Once the purchase bill is approved, can't be edited, deleted. You can also purchase item directly without doing GRN entry. First you need to do purchase order entry. After that you need to do purchase bill entry direct. Before purchase bill entry direct, we do purchase order entry for 4 items. Now we do purchase bill entry direct. Click on Add button. Select purchase bill type, select purchase bill cash, in case of instant payment. Purchase bill credit, in case of later payment. Enter party bill number and date. Select supplier. On selecting supplier, purchase order will show on right side grid. Select purchase order, all the items will fill automatically. Against form, purchasing done against within state, or out of state. Save it. Purchase return entry. This form is used to enter return of items, which is done against the party bill number. Click on Add button. Type, select purchase return cash, in case return item in case, or purchase return credit. Select supplier. Select voucher number of purchase bill. Now you can insert item of that purchase bill. Select item. Enter quantity for return. Save it. Stock transfer entry. This form is used to transfer the stock from one department to other department. Click on Add button to transfer stocks. From department, enter department name. To department, enter department name in which stock will issue. Insert item. Enter item quantities. Save it. Now 10 quantity of soda 150 milliliters is transferred from purchase department to main kitchen. You can see stocks in stock summary report. Consume entry. This form is used to insert consumption of items in a department. Click on Add button. Enter department name where item is consumed. Insert item. Enter consumed quantity which reflects the stock of that item. Save it. Now 50 bottles of soda is consumed by main kitchen department. You can check all the consume items in consume register. Issue receive entry. This form is used to issue the stock or particular item from purchase department to other, and receive from one department to purchase department. Click on Add button. Select entry type, issue or receive. Select issue when item will issue. Select receive when item will received. Select department for issue or receive. Insert item. Enter quantity which reflects the stock. Save it. Now this item is received from front office department. Report. Here you can check and print all these report. Like item history, Indent register, quotation register, purchase order register, GRN register, purchase register detail, consume register, opening stock register, kitchen closing stock register, stock summary, stock transfer register, current stock register. Suppose if you want to check stock summary, then click on it. Select start date and end date to filter report in between date. Click on print. Now stock summary is generated. You can also filter report according to these fields. Select fields, click on OK. Then click on print. Now stock summary is filtered.